Once upon a time, there were two friends in a village. Their names were John and Michael. They were best friends. They didn't have much money, but they were very honest and kind. They always helped each other and others in the village. One day, John purchased a small piece of land from Michael. He wanted to farm it. He cleared away the trees and bushes from the land. When he was digging up a tree root, his spade hit something hard. He was curious about it, so he dug it out. To his surprise, it was a big pot, and it was full of gold coins. John took the earthen pot to Michael and said,
"Look, I found this pot full of gold coins in the field. It is yours."
"No,"
said Michael.
"it is not mine, as I have sold the whole field to you. Everything in it is yours. So these gold coins are yours."
"Not at all,"
said John.
"I have bought only the field, and not the gold coins in it. They are all yours. Please accept them."
"Never,"
said Michael.
"You have found them in your field. So these coins now belong to you. Please take them away."
John looked at his friend. Then he looked at the pot. Finally, he said to his friend,
"Friend, let's go to the village headman and tell him everything. We will accept his decision."
Michael agreed, and they went to the village headman. The village headman thought over the matter for a long time, but he couldn't decide what to do. He went on looking at both friends one by one. The village headman said to them,
"I am proud of you. You are not only fast friends, but you are also good men. You should divide the gold coins equally between you. Both of you deserve them."
John shook his head and said,
"I shouldn't take half of the gold coins. I just bought the land, not the coins. They belong to Michael."
Michael quickly replied,
"No, I can't take any of the gold coins. I sold the land to John, and the coins were found from there. They belong to him now."
The headman thought for a while then. Suddenly, an idea struck his mind, and he smiled.
"I have reached an appropriate decision. Will you accept it?"
"Yes, sir,"
said John and Michael.
"All right,"
said the village headman.
"John, you have a daughter. And Michael, you have a son. Let them marry. And give this pot of gold coins to them as a gift.
Both John and Michael were very happy. Their son and daughter got married. The newly married couple was also very happy. Moral: true friendship and honesty are more valuable than gold.